Celebrate life together! That's fucking beautiful. This is called Songbird. Fly me to sleep. Sipping my coffee, just killing time. Turning through the pages, one by one in my mind. A sunshine and a daydream, what a beautiful sight. And then I saw an open window and a songbird in flight, yeah. The years went by, baby, we talked here and there about things that didn't matter, it seemed better not to care. I wish I would have told you your voice is my pain. I wish I could have filled your arms, now yours is in vain. So I said, songbird, fly me to sleep. Songbird, fly me to sleep, oh yeah. Songbird, fly me to sleep. Yeah, songbird, fly. Looking back, I can see now what I couldn't see then. I must have known somehow the way this would end. I can't help but wonder if I had a choice, but all I wanted to hear was your sweet songbird voice. So I said, songbird, fly me to sleep. Songbird, fly me to sleep, oh yeah. Songbird, fly me to sleep. Yeah, songbird, fly. Well, you took a lonely ride to get beyond all the shame and tears. Now I made you the sun too. Oh, nothing more that will keep you here. In a world that couldn't hear you, no. Songbird, fly. My music partner, we write these songs together. John Barber on the guitar. John actually found these lyrics in the garbage. I had written them on a napkin in Times Square shortly after my sister died, and I guess I wasn't ready. I thought, this is shit. And a couple weeks later, he left me a voicemail with this song. Thank you, John. I wonder if anybody caught the little homage John just did in his solo brings an old school song to mind that is so appropriate for us sharing this moment and celebrating life together. People, get ready. There's a train that's coming now. Can you get on board? Come on. I believe in all religions. I just don't believe in our misinterpretation of them. So, for me, I say, all we need is faith in each other and a little compassion and a little fucking kindness, yeah. Can we get on board, yeah? People, get ready. The train is coming and we don't need no ticket, no. All we got to do is just be nice to each other, yeah. Can we get on board? Can we get on board? Get on board, yeah. Sipping my coffee, just getting tired. Flipping through those pages one by one in my mind. When I saw a child and a daydream, such a beautiful sight. Now she'll dream forever, I think she'll be mine. Songbird, fly me to sleep. Songbird, fly me to sleep, oh yeah. Songbird, fly me to sleep, yeah. Songbird, fly. Love, songbird, fly. Oh, songbird, won't you fly me to sleep, baby? You can come on home. Oh, songbird, fly. Can you sing it, y'all? I know some of you know. Oh, songbird, fly. Yeah. Me to sleep now. So high, baby, yeah. You can come on and fly.